Hi everyone, hope you all are fine, safe and sound. Welcome to my channel TechnoZara. In my videos, I always give you the review of any upcoming token and NFT sites, and I tell you about the benefits, about the features, about properties, and it's up to you that you must check out their pages, their social media links, their social media pages, and follow them and get all the updates about the token, and so you can easily take decision. So it's now today I am going to share with you a very interesting gaming project. It's Dog Rider. It's a gamology first crypto hyper casual game, and it looks very awesome, very cool, and you can say it's two in one opportunity for the new generation that play to earn, and you can play so you can earn. So it's very amazing. So before I start the video, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and so you can easily approach my next video, and I will share with you all the benefits about this game. You can see here we are on the interface of Dog Rider, and here we have that get it on Google Play and download on the App Store, and it's very coming soon. So you can play game very coming soon, and its pre-sale is coming soon. So next white paper we have, and we after a while I will show you it's and next one is Gamology first crypto hyper casual game. Dog Rider is almost first crypto hyper casual game adapted from a nostalgic carnival board game called Derby Horse Race. The shiny 3D interface and unique features of game tools predicted to bring a new taste in online games world. Benefiting from strong blockchain engineering in developing, the Dog Rider project made it possible to launch a charming marketing plan on games scenario, which is described in white paper. So you can check out white papers, and you can easily check out the details about this token, so you can safely experience play to earn multiplayer game in crypto world. But remember, it's easy to play but hard to be expert. Now it's the time to pull your ball. And here we have the video, and we will check out after a while, and it's about the game, how to play. And next one, here you can see about the game features, and about the game we have gamification. Here we have daily leaderboard and exchangeable characters, chatting options, magic item in store, customizable and cosmetic for UI, unique features for UX, and flexible gameplay. And next we have how to participate in the project: buying the token and become holder, cooperate in airdrop affairs and getting shares, playing the game and getting 2x in each context, trading NFTs and exclusive characters in app community exchange. So it's very easy. It's here we have 4 steps. First of all, you have to buying token and become a holder, and next one is cooperate in airdrop affairs and getting shares. So you can easily cooperate in airdrop and getting shares, playing the game and getting 2x in each contest. In each contest you have to playing game, and you have to win and getting 2x in each context. And next one is trading NFTs and exclusive characters in app community exchange. Now we have token exchange. Our token is designed precisely according to game's marketing plan and easily could be exchanged or charged in reliable DEX decentralized exchange and CEX also coin exchange. For play to earn purposes, it could safely and quickly connect to your wallet in all platforms. And it's very good that it will connect your wallet in all platforms. And here we have the team introduction. The Team Rider startup was started with team shaped from LinkedIn in freelance method by game and IT engineers from different regions and formed the Pioneer project. As soon as first came launching, well established a head office in one of Europe countries to concentrate on project, but will still expand our team worldwide. And here we have its tokenomics, and we check out about the tokenomics. Here we have the pre-sale, their pre-sale 45%, liquidity locked for 2 years and it's 28%, private sale it's 10%, team unlock 0.5% per month and it's 3%, game incentives 5%, development unlock 0.5 pm and it's 6%, and airdrop it's 3%. Its total supply here we have it's about 100000000 and 00000 DRG, and its redistribution here we check out holders 3%, marketing 4%, auto LP 2%, auto burn 1%. And we now check out the roadmap. Here we have phase 1 game design and content production. In phase 1 they designed the game and content production, website launch and white paper release, marketing campaign, airdrop launch, smart contract audit, private sale, list on Coin Paprika, and DX sale, pre-sale and launch on PancakeSwap. So all those things are in phase 1 they have planned. And phase 2 game test version release, influencer marketing, game blockchain setup, list on CoinGecko, and game community building, apply for Certic smart contract audit, token burn and PooCoin vetted list. Phase 3 game publish on United platform, social media ads, list on Coin Market Cap, logo updation on Trust Wallet, incentive token for Pioneer user, CEX coin exchange listing, Hotbit and Bitmart, and store setup for game, chat facilities. And in phase 4 NFT shop launch, partner marketing, 3K game user acquisition and rebranding, and next update game features, website redesign, more CEX it's mean coin exchange listing, events and challenges setup. And here we have the core team. Theodore, he is the chairman and and Carla, she is the CEO marketing, and Agnes, head of game design, and Ho Seok, its blockchain engineer lead, Ekavir, its CMO and co-founder, and Millie, its art leader, and Lucas, its CTO and co-founder, and Dan, its blockchain economy design. Here they show you the partners of their token. It's TechRate and Certic, Binance Smart Chain, Coin Market Cap, and Solid Group, and DX Sale, and it's Coin Paprika, and so very soon they will launch on all the exchanges. Here we have the FAQs and private policy, terms and condition, white paper and token address, and there you have the social media links, Twitter, Telegram group, Telegram channel and YouTube. So you can easily follow their pages and update. You can easily get the update about the token, about the project. And here we have the next one is white paper we have to check out. So guys, here we have the dog writer, its white paper, and here you can see and its index and its details about the paper, all the pages details, history, description, how to play, process of the project, scheduling, game result, ecosystem, token burn, and game special features, tokenomics, roadmap, our team, and contact info. So you can easily check out all the details about, you can easily read out it. And here we have the history and the description, how to buy and process of the project. Here we have the scheduling and game rules. So you can easily read out it. Ecosystem, here we have the ecosystem, so you can check out it. Dog rider platform, game, level ups, prizes, play to earn, exclusive characters, NFTs, wallets, chat options and stickers, and store magical items, accessories, unique board. And here trade unit, we have ECH, NFTs, magics, and customized board goodies and cosmetics. And the next we have token burn and game special features and tokenomics. I have already checked out, and here we have liquidity 28% and lock till 2 years, private and pre-sale 55%, game incentives 5%, airdrop 3%, team 3%, unlock 5% per month, and development 6%, unlock 5% per month. It's the tokenomics and redistribution. Here we have auto LP 2%, auto burn 1%, holders 3%, marketing 4%. And here we have the roadmap. I have already read out, and here the details about the team. We founded the team from high-skilled IT engineers through LinkedIn platform and started our first project with independent departments which are carrying out the dog rider project as the team first project freelance. And here we have the detail about the blockchain team, and there is a security and backup team, and game development team, marketing team, public relation, project management team. And next one is how to contact us. So they have given their email address, website, Telegram, Twitter. So it's about 11 pages white paper. So you can easily check out it, read out it, and you can get information about the token. Let's see the game demo and learn how to play game. Countdown will start. It's take time to loading. It's multiplayer game of 4 players. Here you can see the players Sarah, Frank, Mary, and James. They have to throw the ball. Here you can see 3 color hole: green, yellow, and pink. If they put the ball in green hole, they get 3 points. And the yellow hole, it has 2 points. And the pink one is 1 point. And if they missed the hole, then 0 point. One by one, they will play on their turn and gets the points. Which player will get more points, so he wins. Here you can see one by one on their turn they are playing and throwing balls and getting points. It has some problem in loading. It's very interesting and very easy to play. So you see James win. So guys, I have told all the details about the game and its benefit. So hopefully you liked the video. Must participate in their gaming project and contact with them, the team, with the telegram groups, join their groups and like their pages, so you can easily get all the updates. And so till then my next video, please stay blessed and take care. Bye.